Insert the threaded terminal fitting into the threaded terminal post and secure it with a flat washer and a snug grip washer nut. Spin the nut 2 to 3 full turns or until you feel resistance from the snug grip threads. Next, we lace the cables through the other posts. We recommend using our lacing needle for smoother threading through post holes. This prevents cable strands from catching on the sides of the post holes during installation. Lace the cable through all remaining posts and pickets, continuing around the deck. Finally, lace the cable through the quick connect post and remove the lacing needle. Cleanly trim the end of the cable. Attach a flat washer and a quick connect fitting onto the end of the cable and slide the fitting into the post. The special spring-loaded quick connect jaws only allow the fitting to slide in one direction and will automatically grip the cable. If you make a mistake, don't panic. You can use our quick connect release tool to disengage and remove or readjust the position of the quick connect fitting. Lace the other cables through the posts until all the assemblies have been installed. After all cables have been laced, we take the slack out of the lines. Hold the quick connect fitting with one hand and pull the cable tight with the other. The jaws will automatically lock when the cable is released. We are now ready to begin final tensioning of the cables. Return to the threaded terminal post and grip the hexagonal shaft of the threaded terminal fitting with a pair of vice grip pliers to keep it from spinning. Tighten the snug grip washer nuts with a 7/16 inch wrench to adjust the final tension in the cable. Be sure to follow the recommended tensioning sequence to help minimize stress on the railing frame and easily adjust uniform tension across all of the cables. Start at the center cable and alternate until all cables are tightened. We do not recommend using electric or pneumatic tools to tighten the snug grip washer nuts. If the nuts spin too quickly, there is a risk that the threads will heat up and seize. Trim the excess threads as close to the snug grip washer nut as possible. You may use an electric grinder with a cutoff disc, a hacksaw, or electric reciprocating saw with a metal cutting blade. At the quick connect end, use the same tool to remove excess cable that will impair the attachment of the end cap. Get as close to the quick connect fitting as possible. Finish the assemblies with the included polyethylene end caps. Snap them on over the exposed quick connect fittings and the snug grip washer nuts.